Welcome to today's lesson. How to say if in Chinese. If, 如果, if. Feel free to email us anytime at askchineseteacher@gmail.com if you have any questions. We are always happy to help. How to say if in Chinese. 如果, 如果. The star word of today's lesson is 如果, if, 如果. 如 by itself also means if, and you can see in written Chinese, you can use it by itself, 如, but in spoken language, usually you will use it together, 如果. And 果, you might recognize 果from 水果, which is fruits. But the key word here today is 如果, if. Let's begin. 如果可以的话，如果可以的话 if it's possible 如果方便的话如果方便的话 if it's convenient. So both these sample sentences are actually part of fixed sentence structures that you can find normally in conversation. If it's possible, could you help me do something? If it's convenient, could you get that for me? Something like that. So both are fixed phrases that you can use, and they both start with if, 如果. So let's repeat both sample sentences. 如果可以的话 if it's possible. 可以 is can, so if you can, so if it's possible. And the next one, 如果方便的话 if it's convenient. 方便 is convenient, so 如果方便的话 So you can see it's a fixed sentence structure with 如果的话. So it's fixed. 话 actually means speech or talk. But in this context, it's used in the phrase 如果可以的话如果方便的话 if it's possible, if it's convenient. Let's look at the vocabulary list from the previous sentence structure. 如果 if 可以 can, possible. 方便 convenient. So once again, 如果可以的话如果方便的话 if it's possible. 如果方便的话 if it's convenient. So from the previous sample structure of 如果可以的话如果方便的话 let's make a complete sentence. 如果可以的话我也想要去 If it's possible, I would also want to go. 如果可以的话 If it's possible, 我也想要去 I also want to go. The next sentence. 如果方便的话可以帮我买一份吗 If it's convenient, 如果方便的话可以帮我买一份吗 Could you help me buy one? So this is used in a context where someone goes and buys something and you know about it and you ask him to also buy you one on the way if it's convenient. So let's repeat the sample structure, which is 如果可以的话 if it's possible, 我也想要去 I also want to go. 如果方便的话 if it's convenient, 可以帮我买一份吗 Could you also buy me one? Let's take a closer look at the vocabulary from the sample sentences. 也 also 想要去 want to go, so I also want to go 也想要去可以 can or possible 可以帮我help me 可以帮我吗 Can you help me? 买一份 buy a copy or buy 份 means a copy, it's a counter. It can also mean a portion, so 买一份. So let's recap the sample sentences. 如果可以的话我也想要去 If it's possible, I also want to go. 如果方便的话可以帮我买一份吗如果方便的话可以帮我买一份吗 If it's convenient, could you also help me buy one? So 份 is portion and it's unspoken. That's can you buy me another one? Let's go over it one last time. 如果可以的话，我也想要去。如果方便的话，可以帮我买一份吗？ Ma is always used at the end of questions. Let's move on to the next sample sentence. 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ If you could do it all over again, would you still make the same choice? Would you still do it again? 如果可以重来 if you could do it again, all over again, or a do-over, 可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ Will you still make the same choice? Will you still do the same? So let's recap. 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ If you could do it all over again, would you make the same choice? 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ Let's go over the vocabulary from the sample sentence. 重来, do over. 重来 comes from 重新来. 新 is new or fresh, so it's when you can do it all over again from afresh, restart from afresh. So 重来 is shortened from 重新来. 如果可以重新来, if you could do it all over again. 如果可以重来, it means the same, it's shortened. 还会做, so will you still do again? 还 has the meaning of again. 会 is can. 做 is do. So 还会做 is you will still do. So let's recap the sentence. 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ If you could do it all over again, would you still make the same choice? 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ Let's recap the sample sentences that we have learned. So the first structure we have learned is if it's possible, if it's convenient. So these are sentence starters that they are very useful in daily conversations that you can use. So how do you say if it's possible? 如果可以的话，如果可以的话。So it's always fixed. 如果可以的话。How do you say if it's convenient? 如果方便的话，如果方便的话。So 可以 is can, 方便 is convenient. So 如果可以的话 if it's possible, from can, so if it's, although literally translated, it's if it's can, so it's, in other words, if it's possible. 如果方便的话，方便 is convenient, so if it's convenient. So let's recap the complete sentences that we also learned from these two sentence starters. 如果可以的话，我也想要去。If it's possible, I also want to go. So the key word here is 也想要去. So 也 is also 想要去, want to go. 如果可以的话，我也想要去。If it's possible, I also want to go. So the next sentence, 如果方便的话，可以帮我买一份吗？如果方便的话，可以帮我买一份吗？ If it's convenient, could you also help me buy one? 买一份 buy a portion. 一份 is a portion. 可以帮我买一份吗？ Could you help me buy one? So 如果方便的话 is quite polite, and you can ask this to many people because it's if it's convenient, could you help me do something? Could you also pick this up on the way? So 如果方便的话。The next sentence that we will recap is 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ If you could do it all over again, would you still make the same choice? 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ So the keywords here are 重来 comes from 重新来, which is to start afresh, to redo, to do it all over again. 如果可以重新来，你还会那么做吗？ Would you still do it again? So would you still make the same choice? 做 is do. So 你还会那么做吗？ Would you still do it again? Would you still make the same choice? So in total, let's recap it again. 如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？如果可以重来，你还会那么做吗？ If you could do it all over again, would you still make the same choice? Would you still do it again? 谢谢大家. Thank you for listening. Please remember to subscribe and email us anytime at askchineseteacher@gmail.com. We are happy to take questions. So let's recap. The star word of today's lesson is 如果. 如果 if. So we hope this was helpful and thank you again for listening. Please subscribe.